Hi everyone, let's go to one more video in our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you this 1970 Dodge Coronet RT in the sequence of the Dodge Coronets I've shown before. This is made by Yatming Road Signature collection in the 1/18 scale. So let's unbox it and take a better look. But before I do so, please don't forget to like and share my video and to subscribe my channel. Let's go on. So, once we've unboxed the car, we can take a better look now. This model is a simple model. It's made by Yatming, and it's a budget model, what I can say. Let's take a better look. I really like this metallic blue color, which is fantastic. I think it looks awesome. And this is the new front we have for 1970 for Dodge Coronet. If it's a Super B, it's got a B right here in the left grill. I don't remember exactly, but I think it is right here. The RT has got the RT badge right there. It's painted over, but it's okay. It has those two air intakes right here in the hood, just like the 1970 Dart. The headlights are pretty good. They are pretty realistic, as well as this opening here below the grill. Just looking at the wheels and tires, they're pretty well made. They're not really perfect like the Highway 61, but they got a pretty good quality with the chrome rims and the black inside, the black triangles, which look very nice. The mirrors are in the right proportion, and the interior looks very good. The seats are hard. They have foldable front seats like these, and the dashboard is pretty good looking. And the doors that open with simple hinges. They're not sophisticated as a Highway 61. And as we steer here, we can see the front wheels move. They turn with a steering wheel. Door and side panels are very good, as well as the top and the rear, which is new for 1970. This is for Coronet RT, for the Coronet Super B. The taillights are quite different. They're a little bit shorter, and instead of having those rectangles, they're actually trapezoids. You have a bigger rectangle divided in two. The dual exhaust and a rear bumper. Just looking at the bottom, we can see that it's a pretty well made bottom. It's simple with the dual exhaust, the exhaust manifolds, and the engine and tranny, which are basically one single piece of plastic. They could be a little bit more realistic, but it's okay. Drive shaft, which is fixed, as well as suspension, which is fixed and has no coil springs, no mechanism. But it's a pretty good bottom for a pretty good base for a budget model. Got this chrome trim right here, which is a separate part. The engine is a very nice Hemi. We can see the radiator hose, alternator, reservoir and battery and horn, brake system, and the hinges here, which are a little bit thicker, but they're not as thick as the other cheap models. The air intakes, which are here, and the hood, which is quite well made. Front panel, as well as radiator. It's pretty good quality for its price. Well, this is a very nice model to have in a diecast car collection, and it's really a car I appreciate a lot. So I'd like to thank you for all views, for comments, for all likes. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave your like below, to share this video, and to click the bell for news. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.